Welcome to Practice English Slowly.
Part 3. Lunch and Afternoon. By noon, I'm usually hungry and ready for lunch. In our office, we have a small kitchen area where people can bring their own food. Most of the time, I bring lunch from home because it's healthier and cheaper than eating out. I usually cook something simple the night before, like pasta with vegetables, a chicken salad, or rice with grilled vegetables. Sometimes, when I'm busy or too tired to cook, I just bring a sandwich and some fruit. When it's lunchtime, I like to step away from my desk. I believe it's important to take a real break during the day. I usually sit with my colleagues in the small dining area. We talk about work, but also about personal things, funny stories, weekend plans, or new movies we want to watch. I enjoy these conversations because they make the day feel less stressful. If the weather is nice, I sometimes go outside for a short walk. There is a small park near our office, and walking there for just 10 or 15 minutes gives me energy for the rest of the day. I usually listen to music or simply enjoy the fresh air. After lunch, I make myself another cup of coffee or tea. I'm a big coffee lover, but I try not to drink more than 2 cups a day. Sometimes I choose green tea because it's lighter and also healthy. The afternoon at work is usually the busiest time. I come back to my desk and start working on the bigger tasks that require more focus. For example, I might prepare a presentation for a client or analyze the results of a marketing campaign. Sometimes I need to write reports or come up with new creative ideas for social media posts. I really like brainstorming sessions with my team. We sit together and share ideas for new projects. It's always interesting to hear different opinions and think about creative solutions. My colleagues are very talented, so I learn a lot from them. Around 3 p.m., I take a small break. This is usually my snack time. I eat something light, like a granola bar or some yogurt, just to give me energy until the end of the workday. During this short break, I often check my phone, answer personal messages, or look at some funny videos on Instagram or TikTok. It's a good way to relax for a few minutes. The last 2 hours of my workday are usually about finishing tasks. I reply to the last emails, check my schedule for tomorrow, and make sure that everything is ready before I leave. I like to be organized, so I always try to finish one task completely before starting another. If I don't finish something, I write a note to remind myself to do it the next morning. My workday usually ends at 5 p.m. Sometimes, if we have a big project or an important deadline, I stay longer, but I try not to work overtime too often. Work-life balance is very important to me, so I prefer to leave on time when I can. When I leave the office, I feel happy because I know I did my best during the day. I pack my things, say goodbye to my coworkers, and head to the bus stop. I'm usually tired, but also excited to relax and enjoy the evening. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really enjoyed sharing my story. I hope you have a wonderful day, and maybe you'll take one of my ideas to make your own life better. Bye for now.